Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes. In this video series, I want to show you Jingle Bells, and what you just saw in the intro is kind of like the end product you will learn within those two videos here. We will start with a very easy melody where also the beginners can join, of course. We will deal with the chords that you need, and in the end we put it all together to play kind of like a mixed chord and melody version, which is kind of like more for the advanced players out there. But please stay with me till the very end, because I think even if you're a beginner, you can learn a lot from this. So before we start out, please take a close look at the video description below this video. There you will find my free lessons for beginners, which I heavily recommend for you to check out if you're a beginner's player. No matter if you're playing with an acoustic or an electric guitar, check it out. I'd love to see you there too. And now we start with the most important and the most known thing about Jingle Bells, the melody. This can do everybody. Even if you've never picked up a guitar before and this is kind of like your first lesson, I think you will learn something here and you will be able to play something somebody around you will recognize. So this is great. Let's check it out, and this is the basis for the stuff I did in the intro for the more advanced stuff. So in this video, as I said before, we will deal with the melody and the chords, and then we will get in the second video to the version where we mix everything together. So there is like a verse and like a chorus part, and we start now with the verse. Okay, so we have and so on. We start out with the open D string, then we go to the open B string, and second fret G string and open G string, so D, B, second fret G string, open G string, and again D. So this is the first part of the melody. Strum everything down for now and just think of the lyrics, because the syllables tell you how often you pick a certain note. Dashing through the snow, dashing through the snow. Make sure to not let all the notes ring into each other. Dashing through the... I mean, this sounds kind of nice, but it should be... Separate the notes a little bit from each other by stopping after every note, okay? So we do this in the very beginning. And the second part is in a one-horse open sleigh. So we start out with a little bit more of the open D string. In a one, so 3 times. In a one, and then to the B string. Horse, second fret G string again, open D string, and second fret D string. In a one-horse open sleigh. This is our second part. So first part and second part together. Dashing through the snow. In a one-horse open sleigh. And then we have second fret D string, the third part now. Second fret D string, first fret B string, open B string, second fret G string, and fourth fret D string with the pinky. 2, 1, 0, 2, 4. So from the top, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2. 2, 1, 0, 2, 4. And then third fret B string, first fret, second fret G string, open B string. 3, 3, 1, 2, 0. 3, 3, 1, 2 on the G string and open B string from the top. Third part now. And then repeat the whole thing. And then we have a different ending. Kind of like the last part of the second verse. So second fret D string, 2, 1, 0, second fret G string, and then we go to the third fret of the B string already. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then open E string, back to the third fret on the B string, first fret, B string, second fret, G string, and open G string. And on Hey, third fret B string again. So 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, and 3. And then we come to the chorus. It's open B string 3 times, and the next phrase is also 3 times open B string. And again, open B string, third fret B string, open G string, second fret, and open B string again. So 0, 0, 0, B string, again, 0, 0, 0, and then open G string, second fret G string, and open B string. So the third part is this. The other parts are just open strings. And the next part is so first fret B string, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and now a couple of times, 3 times 0 again, second fret G string 2 times, open B string, second fret G string, and third fret B string. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 3. Again, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 3, and then repeat it. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0. And then again, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 3, 3, 1, 2, 0. So this is the melody of the song, and take it part per part. Don't make it too fast for yourself. Just practice a part, press pause, take your time, practice it, go on, and practice the next part and put it together after that. So now let's check out the chords. We start in the verse on a G. G, So this is the the verse. You just play simple chords. My strumming pattern was just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And I went through the chords G, C, and D major. And then the chorus is G, 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 C, C, G, D, 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 G, 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 to A7, to the D, D, G, 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 C, C, G, D, 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 G, 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 into D, 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 G. From the top, G, 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 C, C, G, D, 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 G, 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 to A7 and to D, D, G, 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 C, C, G, D, 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 G, 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 and to D, 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 G. I like to play G in this case like this with the ring, middle, and pinky. You can of course also do it as you probably used to do it with the middle finger, index, and ring finger. And to just tell you the A7 chord, if you have never heard of it before, it's 2nd fret D string and 2nd fret B string, and you hit all strings but leave out the low E string. Or play it with the middle and ring finger, whatever. And the strumming pattern is kind of like an improvisation of mine. You don't really have to stick to it. It's just an example of how you can do it. So this is Jingle Bells. You have the basis of the melody and the chords now. And now in the next video, I want to put it all together. If you've liked and enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and make sure to check out the free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description below this video. There you will get a good basis for stuff we also need in this video, because I cannot explain everything from scratch if you're a bloody beginner in every video. So please make sure to check that out if you understand anything in here. So thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.